Hi, my name is Joe Cotton, and I'm a champion stock picker and excellent market timer. I won 3 national stock picking contests and came in second in 3 others. One of my stock picks was up more than 700% in 1 year. You can read about it on my website at www.cottonstocks.net. Now, some of my stock picks have doubled in 30 days. And to increase the odds that my picks might double in 30 to 60 days, I choose stocks that have 3 or 4 of the following characteristics. Number one, they're mostly low price, selling between $1 or 25 up to $25 a share. Now, a $2 stock can double in a week, but a $200 or $300 stock would have trouble doubling in a year. Now, the second thing that I look for is the stock, if it's been given a buy rating by a reputable stockbroker like Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, or Stifel, and also given a price target considerably above the current price. So uh, now I've got to tell you that they also have to have a compelling story, like a new cancer drug or blowout earnings that just happened, or heavy insider buying. And the fourth characteristic that it has to have is to have a great chart or a good chart, good stock chart. And on the stock chart, maybe it shows a breakout from a base, or maybe the stock crossed above its 50-day moving average, which is a classic buy signal. Now, be advised that my stock picks are not investment advice, and nothing in this video is investment advice. So let's talk about the stocks. First of all, we have Fate Therapeutics. It closed at $2.57 on 8/26. You can see it's got a great chart. It came out of a long one year, 4 month consolidation. It broke out on heavy volume, and that's a great sign. Now, Jefferies gave it a buy rating on May 19th, 2026. Now, the story about is they have an important lupus drug in clinical trials. Insider selling is light. We own the stock. Now, per finviz.com, that's finviz.com, there are about 116 million shares outstanding and a float of about 114 million shares. And 8.51 million shares are short. That's called the short float percentage. It's about 7.46%. And there are no earnings. Now, the second pick that we think can double in 30 to 60 days is Immuneering, symbol IMRX. It closed at $5.15 on August 26. Now, the story about this stock is it has an exciting drug in clinical trials for metastatic pancreatic cancer. H.C. Wainwright gave it a buy rating on August 6 with a $14 price target. The stock made a 1 year consolidation triangle, and it looks like the stock is going to break out and cross above its 50-day moving average of about $5.55 shortly. Now, there has been no insider selling in the last 12 months. Now, per finviz.com, about 65 million shares are outstanding and a float of about 55 million shares. 14.43 million shares are short. That gives a short float of 25.93%. That's a very high number. And if any good news comes out, you could get a large short squeeze. We think the stock is cheap. Now, the last stock is ProCure Therapeutics. It closed at $2.35 on August 26. The story is that it has a promising RNA editing platform. Bank of America gave it a buy rating on August 20th with an $8 price target. Insiders bought 700,000 shares in June and July at prices ranging from $1.54 to $1.77 per share, and no insider selling reported. It's got a good stock chart. It broke out of a 6-month consolidation triangle on August 17th at $2 on increased volume. We think it's just getting started. Now, per finviz.com, there are about 141 million shares outstanding and about 98 million shares float. Only 2.22 million shares are short. Insiders own 28.85% of the stock. Now, always go to finviz.com to research our picks before buying, and go to stockcharts.com to look at their charts. We think these stocks are great. We think they got a lot of potential, and do think that there's a chance they can double in 30 to 60 days. Thank you for listening, and good luck to you.